Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track screenshot in DoTeam. Let's begin. First, click on Record on the left sidebar. Then, from the drop-down, click on Screenshots. Now, all the screenshots of the members will be shown here according to paginations, like the current date, all members, all projects. The date and time will be shown in descending order. Scroll down to see the pages where you can see more screenshots. It will look like this. Here is the pagination count. You can set it to 25, 50, 100, and 500. If I click on 25, 25 screenshots will be displayed. Click on the screenshot to see the preview. If a lot of the member screenshots are shown, but you only want to see screenshots by a specific member for a specific date, just click on their name to see all their screenshots. You can see here that the selected member and the specific date is shown here together with all their screenshots. Details like mouse, keyboard, and total activities are shown here together with the total time worked by all members, since all projects and all members are selected from the drop-down. When you want to see all the screenshots for a specific project, choose a project from the project's drop-down list. You will then see all the screenshots of the members assigned to this project. When you select a specific member from the drop-down list who is assigned to this project, all screenshots by that member will be the only ones shown. You can always change the date of the screenshot reports to be shown. And that's it on how to track screenshots in DoTeam. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.